Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn about Virgin CPR. So let's get started. As we know that the CPR contain three blue line. Okay, one is pivot point, one is TC, and one is BC. Okay, if you don't know what is CPR, just watch out my video. The link is given below in the description. How to set up CPR in TradingView and how to set up CPR in Zerodha. Now, what is Virgin CPR? For example, on a day the price is moved below the CPR and don't touch any CPR line. Okay, during whole day it will not touch any CPR, or assume the price is moved above the CPR and it will not touch any line of CPR. Okay, so now with the help of this concept, this is known as Virgin CPR when it will not touch any blue line, and it will move, or the price is movement above the CPR or price movement below the CPR, but it will not touch any blue line. So this is known as Virgin CPR, and with the help of this Virgin CPR concept, or this concept, on a next day you can take trade with the help of this. So what you have to do on a next day, okay, you have to extend your CPR. Okay, so this is your previous day CPR and this is your next day CPR. So now whenever price is touching, for example in a previous day price is below the CPR line, on a next day when the price will touch this CPR line, you can go short here and price will came down to your present day CPR or present day support, whatever. Same way, if the price is movement above the CPR on a last day or a previous day, okay, on a next day when the price is touches the CPR, that is extended CPR, okay, you can buy. Okay, in a last example we can sell here, so price will move to downwards S1 or CPR. When prices move above the CPR on a last day, on a current day or a next day, when it touch to CPR you can buy. Okay, so this concept is known as Virgin CPR. So let's see with the help of example. Now I have opened the TradingView. Now in TradingView we can see that on a 21st the price is above the CPR line. Okay, don't touching any CPR line. Okay, so on the next day we can extend this CPR, that will act as a support. Okay, because price is above the CPR line, so whenever on the next day when price come to this point, okay, you can buy. For example, on early morning open is below this CPR, you can buy for this price on this movement, up movement. Again price came down at third line, we can buy up to this point. Again came down taking support at CPR line, you can buy. A simple concept when previous day price is above the CPR. Okay, so on the next day you have to extend this CPR line, and when price touches this CPR line you can buy or sell according to the requirement. If price is below the CPR, then on the next day if price come here you have to sell. Okay, let's see one more example. Okay, now in this example price is below the CPR line, but on a next day price will not come here. If prices will come here we have to sell. Okay, but not came to the CPR level. Okay, now here see price is above the CPR whole day, so we have to extend this CPR, that will be work as a support. Okay, so at the end it is taking support here, slightly give the up movement. Okay, so one more example we can see. See here price is above the CPR line, on the next day we have to extend this CPR line. Okay, so when the price will come here, you have to buy for small profit, because it will help for scalping. Scalping means you have to buy for small profit, that is 30 to 40 point in Nifty. Okay, so you have to buy for, or this is known as scalping. Let's see one more example. Price is below but won't go up to this level. Okay, here what happened, price is above the CPR, so we have to extend this line. Okay, but on the next day it came down. Okay, so here the close, first 5 minute close is below the CPR line. Okay, and again came down, so this is false signal, but you can avoid, we will see later on. Here price is above the CPR. Okay, on that CPR, but on the next day the price will not came to this level. Okay, otherwise we will buy here. Okay, see best example, price is above the CPR, won't touch CPR level. On the next day we have to extend this line. Okay, so it is the first entry point here, go up, again came down, again go up, again came down, again go up, so taking support at any line. Okay, this is the best example. See, the price is above the CPR whole day. On the next day we have to extend this CPR line. Okay, and whenever price touch this line you have to buy. So here we are going to buy for small profit, again came down, we have to buy. Okay, again came down, we have to buy for small profit. Okay, so this virgin CPR will work very well. Let's see one more example. Okay, but see here the price is below the CPR level whole day, but on the next day up to this point, okay, price will won't touch this level. Okay, because here is a new day. Last example we will see if found. Okay, here the price is above the CPR line. Okay, so here in this area, near this area you can buy, so slightly above this point, but if you are going to buy, then it give a good movement. Okay, so virgin CPR will give you a zone based on previous CPR value, previous day CPR value, where to buy, and previous day CPR work as a support. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.